Today I'm going to build an entire skincare brand from absolutely nothing. The logo, custom typography, packaging, Instagram campaigns, website banners, product ads, and even a cinematic commercial, all inside one AI tool. No Photoshop, no designer. Lovart AI is an all-in-one creative powerhouse focused on branding, marketing design, and content creation. It helps you build complete brand identities, stunning websites, social media assets, professional product visuals, and even AI-generated videos, all in one single place. To show you exactly how powerful this platform is, today we're creating a fictional skincare startup called Luna Glow. Let's dive into the complete workflow, showing you exactly how any small business can use it to launch from scratch. First, open your browser and search for Lovart AI. Then select the official website from the search results. After logging into your account, you'll land straight on the homepage where you can instantly see plenty of incredible, ready-made templates to help you get started right away. To start our brand identity, we're using one of Lovart's core features, the skill function. Right under the prompt bar, you can select specialized skills. By clicking on branding, we trigger a dedicated workflow designed specifically for full visual identity creation. Enter your prompt, select the AI model. There are top AI models including GPT Image 2, Nano Banana Pro, Dream 5, and many more. I keep it on auto, then hit generate. In just seconds, the AI outlines our brand foundation. With one quick follow-up prompt, it builds directly on our kit, generating complete packaging mock-ups, social media templates, and core visual assets right on the canvas. Now let's take a look at the editing tools available at the top. Here you'll find features like remove background, erase, edit elements, edit text, multi-angle, and more. If you want to remove any object or text from your image, simply click on erase, paint over the area, and let the AI do the rest. Within seconds, it removes the selected content cleanly and blends the background perfectly, making it look like it was never there. Next comes the feature that I really like, the font generator. Instead of hunting through generic fonts, just click on it, paste the generated image, enter your prompt, and click generate. Lovart can generate typography directions that actually match the personality of your brand. Now let's talk about one of the most popular features inside Lovart AI, the brand kit. This is a game changer because it allows you to store your logo, typography, colors, fonts, and even your generated images all in just one single kit. You just upload all your branding assets here once, and it's locked in. The best part? You can use this exact kit to launch a completely new project instantly, ensuring your brand stays 100% consistent every single time. This is probably the most impressive feature. Instead of creating one design at a time, Lovart's AI agent can generate an entire multi-channel marketing campaign all at once. For example, let's say I want to launch this brand across every platform simultaneously. The canvas fills up with everything from social media content and web banners to actual product packaging and flyers. And because it's pulling directly from our kit, every single asset looks completely unified. And if you need to tweak something, you don't have to rewrite a prompt and start over. I can just click directly on his poster, tap the headline text layer, just highlight the text, type in whatever you want to replace it with, and click generate. The AI automatically updates the design while keeping the same premium style. As you can see, the final result is much cleaner, more professional, and visually stunning. Everything is organized inside one visual workspace. I can view all my assets side by side, compare different designs, rearrange them easily, and manage the entire branding project without jumping between multiple tools. Now, let's switch over to the AI video generation feature. First, upload the images you want to animate. Next, enter your prompt describing the motion and style you're looking for. After that, adjust the generation settings according to your needs. Then, choose from top AI models like Cdance 2.0, Kling 3.0, VO3, Hi Luo 02, and many more. I'll select Kling 3.0. Once everything is set up, simply click Generate. After a short wait, your AI-generated video will be ready. Let's take a look at the final result. And this isn't limited to skincare. You can use this exact same simple workflow, starting from a blank canvas and a prompt, for almost any creative project imaginable. You can also create fully animated cinematic videos directly inside the platform. I've uploaded our starting image, pasted in a custom action prompt, and dialed up the motion settings. Now, let's hit generate and check out this absolute masterpiece.
Whether you
Whether
are
you are
crafting
crafting a detailed 3D miniature model, styling a high-fashion editorial, producing a high-octane car commercial,
Hello
or
and
animating
welcome
your
back
own
to
quirky
Neurons and
podcast, the AI handles the entire visual identity in seconds. And that's the showdown. In just one session, we created an entire, cohesive brand identity. From the logo, typography, and brand kit, to packaging, website assets, advertisements, and stunning video content. If you're running a small business, or even building your own personal brand, Lovart completely changes the game. It makes creating professional marketing assets dramatically faster. Check the link in the description below to try Lovart yourself and start bringing your ideas to life. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below letting us know what brand you are planning to build first.